Welcome to Roam Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Roam research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience using Pager.com. Pager.com offers a streamlined, unified communication platform. It aims to consolidate all your messaging apps, think Slack, Microsoft Teams, even WhatsApp, into a single, accessible interface. Instead of constantly switching between different applications, Pager brings everything together, theoretically boosting your productivity and reducing digital clutter. Imagine having all your work chats, personal messages, and even customer support interactions accessible from one central hub. That's the promise of Pager. The platform's core functionality revolves around aggregating various communication channels. It connects to popular messaging services, allowing you to manage conversations without needing to open multiple apps. This integration extends beyond simple message viewing. Pager facilitates sending messages, participating in group chats, and managing notifications from within its unified environment. One of the touted benefits is the potential to improve workflow. By eliminating the need to constantly jump between different apps, Pager seeks to minimize distractions and streamline communication. This centralized approach aims to save users time and enhance focus, particularly for those who heavily rely on multiple messaging platforms for their work or personal communication. However, integrating numerous services into a single platform isn't without its challenges. Maintaining a consistent user experience across diverse platforms with varying functionalities can be complex. While Pager strives for seamless integration, there might be instances where certain features of a specific messaging app aren't fully replicated within the Pager environment. This potential discrepancy is something to consider when evaluating the platform's suitability for your individual communication needs. Furthermore, relying on a third-party platform for all your communication introduces a potential single point of failure. Should Pager experience downtime, access to all your connected services could be temporarily disrupted. Additionally, users should be mindful of potential privacy implications. Granting Pager access to multiple communication accounts effectively centralizes a significant amount of personal and potentially sensitive data. Understanding Pager's privacy policies and security measures is crucial before entrusting the platform with your communications. The convenience of unified communication should be carefully weighed against the potential privacy trade-offs. Overall, Pager presents an intriguing solution to the increasingly fragmented world of digital communication. While the promise of a unified inbox is appealing, users should carefully consider the potential drawbacks and ensure the platform aligns with their specific communication needs and privacy expectations.